To show you guys how I make chocolate milk today. I use chocolate milk to begin with so I don't have to put too much in. But I'm going to use Nesquik, I'm going to put some Ovaltine, I'm going to put some Hershey syrup in there, and I'm going to put a scoop of peanut butter too in there.
I think he's fooling you. He puts a lot in there.
I like it to be chocolatey. So first we start with chocolate milk. You could use whatever kind of chocolate milk you want, or you could use just regular milk. But I like it real chocolatey. So this chocolate I'm using here, I got a hillbilly funnel. I don't like to spend for nothing, so then I put a couple scoops in there. Let me go with like 3 scoops. Doesn't have to be exact.
How was that funnel made?
Old soda bottle makes a hillbilly funnel. We use 3 scoops of rich chocolate Ovaltine. Ovaltine has a lot of vitamins. It's good for children and adults. Just regular Ovaltine. And I put some syrup in there. I want a lot of syrup. It's gotta be chocolatey.
That's enough. That's enough.
Put a scoop of peanut butter in there.
That may have been 3/4 a cup.
And put a little bit of peanut butter in there. Where's my funnel? Alright, that's good.
Put it in the sink when you're done.
Now I shake it up. And then I top it off with a little more chocolate milk. And I'll shake it a lot more. And I got a good chocolate milk. Okay. Thank you very much. If you like this, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you.